participative, responsible, generous, industrious, resourceful, and attentive award. She is best in mathematics. Also best in GMRC. Ibanez Jean-Riel M. Loyalty Awardee and Boy Scout of the Philippines Awardee. He will also receive active, behave, creative, attentive, helpful, obedient, thoughtful, and cooperative awards. Ibanez Sunny Boy Jr. B. Loyalty Awardee. He will also receive supportive, inquisitive, thoughtful, resourceful, active, diligent, and helpful award. Congratulations to the parents as well as to the graduates.